What if I told you that the lunch you eat today could either quietly damage your kidneys or begin healing them? Most people over 60 have no idea that their midday meal is one of the most powerful opportunities they have to either support or strain these two vital organs. And here's what makes this even more urgent: kidney disease often has no symptoms until it's already serious. So by the time most people realize there's a problem, significant damage has already been done. But the good news: what you put on your plate at lunch can genuinely make a difference. Stay with me, because the fifth food on this list is one most doctors never mention, and it might be the most powerful kidney-supporting food you've never tried. Your kidneys are roughly the size of your fist, yet every single day they filter about 200 quarts of blood. They remove waste, balance fluids, regulate blood pressure, and keep your bones strong by activating vitamin D. After 60, the kidney's filtering ability naturally begins to decline, sometimes by as much as 1% per year. Add in decades of processed food, medications, and mild dehydration, and the burden on those kidneys becomes significant. This is not something to be afraid of. It's something to act on. And that's exactly what we are doing today. Let's start with the first food, and it's one that's humble, affordable, and deeply underrated: cauliflower. Now, if you grew up only seeing cauliflower boiled into a soft, flavorless mush, I want you to give it a second chance, because roasted or steamed, it's genuinely delicious. More importantly, cauliflower is low in potassium, low in phosphorus, and low in sodium, the three minerals that kidneys struggling to function properly have difficulty processing. Many kidney patients are told to watch these three carefully. Cauliflower gives you a filling, nutritious base for lunch without putting any strain on your kidneys at all. It's also rich in vitamin C and folate, and it contains compounds called glucosinolates that support your body's natural detoxification pathways. Think of it this way: cauliflower essentially gives your kidneys a rest while still feeding your body. Try it roasted with olive oil and a little garlic at lunch, and your kidneys will thank you. Now, food number 2 might surprise you: red bell peppers. These vibrant, sweet vegetables are not only delicious raw in a salad or cooked into a stir-fry, they are genuinely extraordinary for kidney health. Red bell peppers are extremely low in potassium, which makes them a perfect choice for people over 60 whose kidneys may be less efficient at regulating this mineral. Too much potassium when the kidneys aren't filtering well can actually lead to heart rhythm problems. So choosing low potassium foods at lunch is more important than most people realize. But here's what makes red bell peppers special beyond just being low in potassium: they are packed with vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects kidney tissue from oxidative damage. Chronic inflammation is one of the primary drivers of kidney decline after 60, and the antioxidants in red bell peppers actively fight that inflammation. Slice them raw over a salad, stuff them with lean protein, or roast them as a side. Any way you serve them, you're doing your kidneys a real favor. Let's move to food number 3, and this one is about to change how you think about hydration. Most people know they should drink water, but did you know that eating your water is just as effective? Cucumber is made up of approximately 95% water, making it one of the most hydrating foods you can eat at lunch. When your kidneys are working to filter and flush toxins, adequate hydration is absolutely critical. Without enough fluid, waste products can concentrate in the kidney tubules and increase the risk of kidney stones, which are not only extremely painful, but can cause lasting damage to kidney function. Cucumbers also contain an anti-inflammatory compound called fisetin, which research suggests may help protect kidney cells from damage. They are also a natural mild diuretic, meaning they gently encourage your kidneys to keep flushing. Add cucumber slices to your lunch plate every day, with a little lemon juice and a pinch of sea salt, and you're giving your kidneys exactly the support they need to keep working efficiently. Now we are at food number 4, and this is one where I want you to really pay attention, because the research behind this food is remarkable. Fatty fish, specifically salmon, mackerel, or sardines, consumed at lunch even just 2 or 3 times a week, can have a measurable protective effect on kidney function. Here's why. The omega-3 fatty acids found in these fish are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. In people with chronic kidney disease, inflammation is one of the primary mechanisms driving the continued loss of function. Multiple studies have shown that omega-3 supplementation and regular fatty fish consumption can help slow the progression of kidney disease, reduce protein leakage into the urine, a key marker of kidney stress, and support healthy blood pressure, which is directly connected to kidney health. After 60, chronic low-grade inflammation is almost universal, and fatty fish at lunch is one of the most evidence-backed ways to address it. A small portion of salmon on a bed of mixed greens with cucumber and red bell pepper is genuinely one of the most kidney-supportive lunches you can build. And now, food number 5. The one I promised you at the start. The one most doctors never mention. Are you ready? It's arugula. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, salad greens. But stay with me, because arugula is not like other greens when it comes to the kidneys. Unlike spinach and Swiss chard, which are extremely high in oxalates and can actually contribute to kidney stone formation in susceptible individuals, arugula is naturally low in oxalates. It's also lower in potassium than most dark leafy greens, which makes it safe for people managing their kidney health. But here's what makes it remarkable. Arugula contains a unique combination of nitrates that the body converts into nitric oxide, which relaxes and widens blood vessels. Better blood flow to the kidneys means better filtration and more efficient toxin removal. Arugula is also rich in vitamin K and chlorophyll, both of which support the liver's detoxification pathways, taking some of the burden off the kidneys in the process. It has a slightly peppery, bold flavor that makes any lunch feel satisfying, and it pairs beautifully with salmon, cucumber, and roasted cauliflower. It's a quiet powerhouse that the wellness world has been slow to spotlight specifically for kidney health, and now you know about it. Here's the thing I want you to take away from today. You don't need to overhaul everything at once. Start with one change. Tomorrow at lunch, swap out something processed for one of these 5 foods. Add cucumber to your plate. Throw a handful of arugula into your meal. Choose salmon instead of deli meat. Small, consistent choices compound over time into real, measurable changes in how your kidneys function and how you feel. After 60, your body is not broken, it's asking for the right support. And what you eat at lunch is one of the most direct, controllable ways to give it that support every single day. Before you go, if you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe, because next time we are covering the 5 breakfast habits that are quietly straining your kidneys every morning without you knowing it. You'll want to see that one. And leave a comment below. Tell me which of these 5 foods you're going to try first. I read every single one.